I call this meeting because of more complication I am receiving from ER and other department. Okay, that's why I speak with Dr. Dua what we will do to solve the problem. Okay? This is the steps to follow on shifting OB cases patient. We have the book and unbooked cases and clinic time and what is this? Yes. Okay. Any patient that will come in ER should be assessed properly. Okay? Because you are shifting ER, huh? No personal attachment with this, only work, okay?
Madam, if there is male doctors, they don't want to touch the patient. They don't want, who will assess? Even they don't want to take the history for the patient. If the patient is inside, they will not open the door. Sisters are calling, doctors don't want to come. The last Friday, when patient came, 8-month pregnancy with abdominal pain. So Dr. Taha, he is a male doctor, he is a new doctor. So I call in the female ward. No, let me finish. I call in the female ward, Dr. Zainab was there. Before you remember Dr. Bushra and Dr. Rihan, they said, even they are medical doctor, even they are pediatric, they must go and assess the patient. And I called the female ward, Dr. Zainab, she refused. So we are the one give the medication for the patient go home, and Dr. Bushra has clinic, patient came at 4 o'clock at Rahaf, 8-month pregnancy with Mubarak's brother or wife. So who will assess Doctora?
No, we told already with Dr. Muhammad Farid, any resident here in female ward, she must cover all the departments. She is not responsible for video.
Exactly.
No, because now we have no enough staff. We have no enough resident.
Yes.
I already speak with Dr. Muhammad Farid. Any resident cover all the departments. And by the end, she's a doctor. What is the problem if she asks the patient if she have been, if give her Buscopan, if give her Berfergan? There's no problem.
We can run the complaint against them if
She
they
is
will
a
refuse.
doctor. She is a doctor. If she cannot give any medication, call for us. What I will give the
Yeah.
patient
The one that-
after taking the history, and proper history and examination for the patient. This is a work of a doctor, not work only OB-GYN resident.
Yeah.
This is
Patient
work
will be
of a doctor.
satisfied, we will also
Already
satisfy
said with
doctor.
Dr. Muhammad Farid
All
about
along.
anything. If refuse like that, inform us. Inform us. This doctor refused. We will speak with Dr. Muhammad Farid. What is the benefit of resident if they want to do anything like that? This is their work. This is their. If they have doubt about any medication, call for us.
Yeah.
It is not logic for me or for Dr. Dua to come to give Buscopan, to come to give Berfelgan, to come to give IV fluid.
Okay.
We have a clinic, we have on-call, we have deliveries, we have like that. It is not logic. Anything happen like that, tell us. Or at least tell Dr. Dua she is the head of the department, because already before speaking about this problem.
And Dr. Bushra and Dr. Adua, can you make one memo and give it to Dr. Farid? Dr. Farid will talk to the
Already
resident.
we speak with this appointment, already we speak with Dr. Zainab, already this
He is
speak.
aware already.
But
Yes,
nobody
yes,
inform
yes,
us,
yes.
nobody inform us, she is refused. Inform us, after that we will take action. But no, this is first time I know from you, she is doing like that.
If patient ask for female doctor,
If patient ask for female doctor,
أيوة.
if patient not ask for female doctor, what is the problem for ER doctor?
Doctor can be
In other hospital, they are seeing by male doctor.
Not all cases need for BB. BB only for female.
Only ask the patient how many weeks, what is your problem. This is the simple things.
Okay, doctor.
No need only female doctor.
Even the nurses can ask what is the name of the patient, how
Yes,
many
yes,
gravidas.
yes,
doctor. We are doing
Yes,
that.
we have the knowledge
Yes,
about the
of course we
patient,
have.
right? Okay. Then after that, we will send the husband or relatives to open the file. If there any patient there, you can see how is the patient status. If in pain, in labor pain, or not in pain. You can assist. If even a book case, if she is in pain, you can call us and send the patient here. Okay? If not in pain, and during clinic peak hours, you can send the patient in the clinic.
Yes.
Okay? But during no clinic time, you can call us and bring the patient here. Don't let the patient stay in ER to avoid problem. Because they will complain us. Why the doctor didn't come to see me? Why
Yes,
like this?
yes,
Why
yes.
like this? We will take
It's
the
a one check already.
assessment here. Just let the husband or relatives to open the file so that we can open the system. Then the responsible doctor will be the one to take over here.
But
And-
doctor, sometimes patients are insisting they want to go to the DR. If they don't have pain, they don't have anything. Remember that patient came at night and she did the CS. I forget the name.
She came before for Murada and the Murada assessed her
Yes.
and she go home before. And then she came with Lifa, right? She came and not open file. And I don't know anything about her. I don't know she came before. I don't know she is the same patient but she came before to Murada.
1
She
week after that. A week
Yes,
after
yes.
that, then came to.
Yes, she came. What's your problem? No, doctor, I have some leakage. I want to be referred. Where you referred? You are not open file. No problem. I must know here. Even to open file, I must know here. For that matter, any case, to open file, to know here. She came before and I don't know. She is
Did you ask her, Doctora, to open file?
Yes, I asked her, but she not
She
open.
But anyway, the patient will arrive. Sometimes the doctor she's busy, she cannot go. But this is any first body. See the patient, then open file. Came here, immediately open
Doctor,
file.
They should.
Then one more thing. If the patient is followed up with Dr. Dukan, maybe it's sudden they will come, they want Dr. Bushra. What we will do? They are insisting, no. I am saying one example.
Here we are in private hospital. We cannot obligate the patient only specific doctor.
According to doctor
After
of
that,
choice,
if
the patient.
patient choose any doctor, okay, call for that doctor. If that doctor can come for the patient, okay.
Yeah.
If cannot come, after that it is obligatory for her. The doctor. If agree. If not agree, what can I do?
This is the
Even
basic year.
even off, like your example, you are off.
Even if
Okay.
call for me.
Yes, I do.
Yeah.
Yes,
Doctor,
if she asks for me or for Dr. Aga, inform us. If they can, we can come, we will come. If cannot, then
Because-
I cannot come. But if I am on duty, I have to come. And if patient
Some
refuse,
doctor,
this is up to her.
some doctor, if they are on off duty, they will not attend their patient, even that is book
Yes,
case.
because
Yeah.
it's true. Because this
That's
is
why I am telling, if book case and she don't want to attend the patient during her off day, she should be the one to speak to the responsible doctor
but
that will take
sometimes,
over
no,
the
but
patient.
sometimes this doctor away. How
Not
to
for
come?
us.
Yes, but this sometimes it is her off. If my off, I am
Ah.
away.
Yes.
But this
You
is
will
not
put
good
the
to
money.
know.
Doctor, you can inform.
You will take
You are asking
over the
nurses also
patient.
here. You see, if I cannot, I will inform Krishna. If Krishna is far away also.
Yes, that is
Because she is
fine.
the responsible person of
Yes,
Yes,
it's
doctor to
if
doctor.
if we are in off, already we take permission from my head of department. Already we all my department they know I am off. They call for me one patient wants you. If I can to come, okay. But if I cannot, I cannot come.
If there is any problem, call me.
Like this, Doctora, because it happens many times.
Yeah, after that if I
Like
cannot
this,
come,
your
If there is any problem,
Your patient, Doctora, the patient has follow up with you. Then she came on the time you are off. But this patient still requesting you to come and you are at home.
if yes, for me I will come. No problem for me. Call first
For
for
both
me.
of you, Doctora Dua also.
Yes. I mean in general. Call for
No,
me first.
not, Doctora, not all doctors agree.
Yeah. For that I told you.
You are
Yes,
right.
yes.
Yeah, I told you for that in general. First call for the doctor responsible for the case. Or if the doctor tell you, if any case I will not come, okay, she give you this one, I will not come. But for me, for Dr. Right, call for us. If we can come, I will come. If we cannot, I told I cannot.
But at the end, Doctora, the patient is fighting with us.
Yes.
No,
Many times it happens.
Yeah,
You call them.
It's
If
very
they
difficult
cannot
for
come,
us.
they will be the one to call the next doctor that will take
Yes, the
over the
resident doctor
patient.
who is
Not for
there.
us to call.
You told the patient the doctor is
Not
not
our
here.
responsibility.
Yeah,
Dr. Liza.
Dr. Bushra,
According to the
two
patient.
patients go from here.
Uh-huh.
Two patients go from here, full-time pregnancy, and I am calling here and there, no one is answering.
Yeah, yeah.
The
Yeah,
patient,
this is the-
remember my
Yes,
note?
yes.
And the patient is angry, they took the patient and go.
Yeah, this is why nobody
That is the one, yeah.
answering. They must be resident
Wondering
here.
also.
At least if I cannot come, I will tell that resident I am.
Even negative
and
also, sir.
And we also attend, you know, when a patient came and he makes more problem.
I know, I remember that.
So,
Month
we
five.
will make like this,
Any
doctor.
resident must go to see the patient. At
Yes,
least
no,
once.
how many times Radha came and checked the patient? But they want to doctor, don't do
Yeah,
that.
sometimes yes,
Yeah.
sometimes yes.
Doctor,
like that.
that time patient wants to see the any doctor want to come
Yes,
and
yes.
see, then explain what is happening, what is.
Yeah,
So
yeah,
that day no one came.
Nation,
Why-
he knows.
why resident
He
not-
can.
Why resident not come?
Resident is here, doctor.
If resident refuse, tell us. After that, call for the specialist in the duty. If I can come, I will come to explain the bit. But I will make complaint against that doctor who.
Even that's what Krishna also
But
tell
you
us.
must inform us. You didn't
The one
inform
that we
us.
are-
You didn't inform us. If happen like that, inform us. Inform. At least inform the head of the department. Because any resident here, not it is special for medical, not for surgical, it is to cover all the department, all departments.
Doctora, that time, there is a word of Doctora Dua, that any patient must not open file and no CTG.
Yes.
Yes, yes,
You said like that. That's why I speak with you about that one, right?
yes, yes.
Okay. So to solve the problem, any patient, if the attending doctor is not around and we cannot do anything, the head of the department will be the one responsible that we will call. Okay?
Yeah, yeah.
This is agreed.
Yeah.
No, she,
Everybody
are you agree,
knows,
Dr.
huh?
Afroz?
Because we
calling
cannot
the
do
doctor in
anything
the
to avoid
duty-
any problem.
See, after calling the doctor, after calling the doctor in the duty, if the doctor in the duty told I cannot come, okay, we have a head of department. Or if the doctor in the duty, or the doctor off, especially in Thursday, I thought I am off, I cannot come for any case. From before, I give you this, I will not come for any case. Okay, no need to call for me.
Yes.
I give you this, I will not come. Okay, immediately call for the doctor in the duty.
And anyone told the patient the doctor is traveling?
The doctor
Not
is
here.
not here.
Okay, not
She is not in. She is not here. No need to tell the doctor refusing to come. She is off. She is not here.
Doctor, we are not saying that.
I know, but I know, but you didn't inform us. These problems happened with you. You did.
Dear, you
This is
remember
first
one
time,
Friday
I know.
when patient came, he's a ministry, he's working in ministry.
Yeah.
But he said, I want Dr. Riham. But I said, Dr. Riham on travel.
Because
Yeah,
Doctora
like
Dua.
that. Yes,
But
like
she
that.
was here. We tell her lies. She
Yeah,
was
like
here.
that. It's like that.
So she told me, no problem. Who was there that day?
This is the most common problem that we
Me.
are
Like that you
having.
told. After that, look, we have doctor, for example, Dr. Bushra in duty. If they are refusing me, after that, we have the head of the department, our consultant. If they refuse it, they are not refusing. We are not responsible. And also, if resident doctor, any resident doctor refuses to come to see the patient, tell us.
They are OB-GYN doctors, they are not refusing.
Not OB-GYN, I mean others doctor. I
Any
know
doctor,
OB-GYN,
yes,
there
yes,
is no
أصلاً
OB-GYN.
ما خلاص
In general, because resident is responsible to all the departments.
This,
قول لي انا just stop يعملوا مش مشكلة أصلاً.
I know, but for that, in the same day, it is not logic now after 1 month.
Mashallah, good morning, Medical Director. Good morning.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Dr. Muhammad Farid.
Yeah.
Dr. Muhammad, before we speak, any resident cover the ward, she must cover all the department. Also, if there is any OB-GYN case coming for ER and ask for the doctor and any ER sister, they call sometimes, for example, Dr. Azanam refusing to go to see the patient. Why? We told any doctor, at least go to see the patient, at least what is her complaint. After
طب
that,
هي اللي هي الرول بتاع الاي برضه
أيوه, yes.
بس
But
ما-
they
انا
are
هو
refusing.
الاسم ليفل يعني ايه
Female,
I don't know what I will do.
They are refusing.
Male and female.
Doctor, you must
Male and
make
female.
memo. We must make memo for them. Any resident doctor, they must cover all the department. Anyway, they are a doctor. Anyway, they have knowledge how to ask the history, how to examine the patient, how to give simple medications. there is any problem, call after that for us. We will give them. But like that refusing, why? For that I told them, any doctor refusing, inform us. And also not from now, doctor, please make for them
We
memo.
can make
Memo for them.
complaint against anyone that will refuse to see the patient.
Before the male ward, the female ward is working by male doctors.
Ah.
Even they are what the follow
Yes,
up the
yes,
obligatory
yes.
case. So I don't know.
But Dr.
what-
Osama, still he is managing the OB-GYN patients. He's going and taking the history.
Yes,
Vaginal
yes,
bleeding also patient.
But he is
OB-GYN doctors name. In Saudi and all Saudis, there is OB-GYN doctor.
Yes, that is
We have
very
also they are the ones conducting delivery.
Yes, it's a private places.
Doctor, you have to inform your doctors.
Okay.
What's the problem?
Religion, doctors, so we have to